was walking away.
Didn't even hear him.
Yeah, we heard him.
Well, Aaron should be downstairs. Aaron should hear him, to be honest. Oh, I think that's what it is. Oh, we shall see what the story is. Fucking hell, this is heavy as hell. So just would have telling me to go around the corner to collect it. Yeah, it's my Blue Yeti. My gramophone. Fucking hell, that's so weight in this. Jesus. Feel like soda popping. Getting stuff on stream. But the thing is, because I've worked in my life, I have stuff that makes it easier to open the packages. I don't have to get down and get a fucking kitchen knife. I have a blade. That'll do it for me. My Blue Yeti. Let's open this bad boy, shall we? It's a package, inside a package, inside a package, inside a package. Packageception. I want to make sure that I don't let this fall. This is the USB cable that comes with it. Sweet. It's quite big cable. I don't even know how big the cable is. Before we actually look at it, let's see, does it tell you how long the cable is? Congratulations on your purchase of the Blue Yeti. Of the Yeti. Mute buttons, headphone volume. Screws. Doesn't tell you how long it is. Oh baby. It's a big one. It's heavy as fuck as well. Jesus Christ. Like, I cannot describe how heavy this is. It's pure metal. Fucking hell. It's even hard just to hold in one hand. You gotta come off. Pretty please. There we go. Thank you. The part about it that's really annoying is the part that's heaviest is actually the bottom part. This part here. That is solid. There is, you have on one side you have Tells you if you're on mute here, and then the other part is the volume of the headphones. You have the gain, and then you have pattern as well. I need to find out what the hell is going on with that. There's a bit of that stuff inside. You have the earphones, an earphone jack to plug into it to hear what it is. You have the USB connection, the little small one, and then you have the circular part, which will, because I have this stand, this microphone stand here, I will just take that off and I will be able to connect it onto that. I should be able to. So maybe on Sunday, I will be using my new microphone. I'm going to experiment with it over the next few days and see what the story is. We've also got the blue symbol on the front of it. And this is a big ass microphone. Like, look in comparison. Look how big it is compared. Look how big it is. So we're roughly at the end here, so it's a good inch bigger. So that is my microphone. Evs, you've seen my microphone now firsthand. You're the first person to see, as well as another here in the group, and Speedboat Jimmy. I don't even think he's paying attention. Speedboat's always in here just chilling like a villain. You will never wake alone. Clear. That that thing there on the screen there that you see up in the top left, I think it is. Yeah, it should be top left. Over that way. The interface, the game menu. I threw the styrofoam and I hit off the escape key. But my Yeti microphone, Claire, it's heavy as fuck. It's actually really hard to keep hold of. The bottom part here, just wait for it. I'll move it around. Oh, wait. That actually hurts to do that. That is pure metal. It needs to be pure metal, obviously, as Ev said, to keep it there. But that's a good bit bigger. But mute button to tell you whether you're on mute or not. Volume. You have your gain and you've got the pattern of the microphone, whatever way. So I'll have to have a look. I'll read down through it. Earphone jack, USB jack, and the holder to go onto that. The mic you're using, the voice we're accustomed to might drastically change. No, it won't. It won't. It will just stop the kind of echo-ish thing in it. But yeah, that is my Yeti microphone that just arrived. It was packageception because there was a package inside a package inside a package. And then the USB cable to come with it as well. So, I don't know whether you want me to either leave the microphone on that side and hook it through or connect it to my computer over here on my right hand side. I think if I put it here on the right hand side, it will be a lot easier because you won't hear the clicky clacky of when I'm playing the likes of this game. And yeah, and if you hear that banging, that's my little brother losing his fucking shit downstairs over Fortnite. My brother who you saw yesterday, Claire. Aaron. He's going to Ed Sheeran tonight, so he'll be gone out for a while. And I won't be streaming too long. I'm only going to be streaming for about 2 hours or so. I just decided that I would throw my stream on for you lovely people while I just chill. In all fairness, I was expecting this to arrive this morning. That's the reason why I couldn't get it off. It's literally well sealed in. So I need to force it back on. Like, I'll show you exactly the package that it came in, right? Styrofoam upon fucking styrofoam. It's ridiculous. Watch. It won't go back in properly. Oh, it will. Well, I did that greatly. Did I put it in the wrong way? Yeah. Yeah. One of the finals, the football finals, is on tonight. My cousin's coming over, so he'll probably come over a bit early. Where is that? That part gone. Oh, there's nothing to go over the top. So, the way it arrived is in packaging. In packaging. Packaging. Fuck's sake, Phil. In packaging. That's too much. That is just too much of a waste. But I suppose when you're paying an awful lot of money for it. But yeah, this is how it comes. You're not trying the mic today? No, because there's so many different settings on it that I actually want to go through the book. And 2-minute reviews as well gave me a plug-in for OBS to make my mic even crisper. But there we go. Mute button. So now if I want to mute my mic, I just press that button. I don't actually have to click onto the stream, so there's less for me to do. Master volume. Zero latency headphone output with amplifier and volume control. USB mini jack. Yeah, we've got that with it. Standard mic mount. Custom bass. Triple capsules. There's 3 capsules in it, so that's why it's crisp. Mic control, mic gain control, 4 polar pattern selector, stereo, cardioid, omni, and bi-directional. Alright, so that's the settings on. That's not too bad. So we leave it on stereo, but for funny streams or something, I might just change it into a different one. Tells you what the Yeti stands for. Is it from? Where is it from? System requirements configuration. Macintosh, Windows 8, 7, or XP. Windows 10 is going to do it as well. So, designed in the USA, made in China. Yeah, it's got French all over. BLUE Yeti. It gives you recording applications, stereo, vocals, choir, or instruments. Will actually make my singing sound a lot better. Kappa. Yeah, Claire was streaming 13 last night for Nearly 5 hours, 6 hours. Claire, when you were streaming last night, I actually fell asleep while listening to you. But it wasn't asleep, like I was dead to the world. Will you please go in the box? Please go in. Thank you. It was my brain turned off, but my ears didn't. So I could hear everything that was going on in the game. And I actually start dreaming halfway through the stream as well. But there we go. The Blue Yeti, or the Yeti, has finally arrived. I think it's called Blue Yeti because it has blue on the front of it. So I'll probably use that. When? Sunday? Monday? Thanks for unboxing. Oh, well, I've been telling you all about it, so it is only fair, isn't it?